Gimbii town is located in West Wallaggaa Zone, West Oromia, at an elevation ranging from 1,845 to 1,930 meters above sea level. Its name seems to have originated from a local chief. In 1903 it was first noted by Hughes LaRue, who marked it on his map as Mount G. In the 1910s, the town is said to have been established as an administrative center under Oromo leaders such as Lixa, for example Gabra Egziber Moroda, and others of similar status. Early developments up to the mid-20th century. In 1895, Ethiopian Orthodox churches were established in Gimbii. In the 1930s, Gimbii became a major market town in the Wallaggaa region. However, the main road, such as the one leading to Nakamte, had not reached it by 1935. During the Italian invasion and mid-20th century institutions. During the Italian occupation, a Catholic mission was established in the Gimbii area. The town's first hospital was founded in 1947 by the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Later, a government-supported hospital was also opened. Late 20th century to the present. In 1971, the Western Synod of the McCain Jesus Church started a boarding school for children. However, in 1981, many evangelical churches in the area were closed. Only the one in Gimbii remained. In 2009, the Oromia TV broadcast station for the Gimbii branch and the Gimbii campus of Wallaggaa University were opened under the decision of the Oromia regional president. This boosted education and media in the town. In recent times, in June 2022, heavy gunfire was reported when the Oromo Liberation Army (OLA) surrounded Gimbii. Demographics and economy. According to the 2007 census, Gimbii had a population of over 30,981. Of these, 50% were Protestant, 35% Ethiopian Orthodox, and 13% Muslim. Annual rainfall in this area is high, ranging from 1,500 millimeters to over 2,800 millimeters. Thank you for listening. Headphone.